When boiling eggs, you should never boil them directly in water. Hello, nice to see you again on the Great Tips channel. Today, I will show you how to boil eggs in a 5-star restaurant style. After boiling, the eggs will be soft, easy to peel, and the shell will come off when touched. The yolk will be cooked through, not dry, and most importantly, the eggs are delicious. Let's watch the video. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. First, wash the eggshells. Wash the eggs to ensure hygiene and not contaminate the pot. Don't skip this step, otherwise E. coli bacteria can enter the body through the digestive tract and cause illness. Place the eggs in a clean bowl. Add a little baking soda and salt. Then cover the eggs with water. Where are you watching from? Leave a comment. It's great that we can connect all over the world. Stir well to dissolve the baking soda and salt, then soak the eggs for about 5 minutes. Then, wipe the eggs clean with a kitchen towel. When chickens lay eggs, the outer shell is often not completely clean and can contain bacteria such as E. coli or Salmonella. Don't worry, salt and baking soda will help clean eggs effectively. Baking soda helps stains come off easily, and salt has a disinfecting effect. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, don't hesitate to click the subscribe button now. Each of your support is a great source of motivation for me to continue sharing more interesting things. This cleaning method will help the eggs after boiling no longer have a bad smell and will taste better. If you store the eggs in the refrigerator, soak them in clean water for about 10 minutes before boiling. Sudden temperature changes can cause eggs to crack or stick to the shell. If you boil eggs right after taking them out of the refrigerator, they can easily crack, causing the egg white to stick to the shell. Therefore, soaking not only cleans them, but also makes them easier to peel. Next, rinse the eggs with clean water. Eggs are a nutritious food containing vitamins, minerals, protein, and choline. Anyone can eat eggs, from children to the elderly. After washing, the eggs look shiny, clean, and safe to use. Pour 1 liter of water into the pot. Add a little salt and stir until dissolved. Salt helps the water boil at a higher temperature, helping the eggs cook evenly. Place the steamer on the pot. Put the eggs in the steamer. Boiling directly often causes the eggs to crack, the whites to spill out and cause waste. Some eggs are also very difficult to peel, making them unsightly. To fix this, place a small bowl in the middle of the steamer. Add a little vinegar and salt to the bowl and stir to dissolve. Adding vinegar and salt will make the eggshells easier to peel. The eggshells contain calcium carbonate, which reacts with the acetic acid in the vinegar to soften them. Just tap the egg lightly and the shells will come off by themselves. Vinegar and salt also help soften and taste better. When steaming, salt also helps to conduct heat better and enhance flavor. A little salt also provides electrolytes, which are good for health. Turn on the stove on high heat until the water boils. The steam will heat the eggs slowly, evenly, and gently. You don't need to worry about hot or cold water because the steam will cook the eggs evenly. Steaming does not require measuring the water level. Very convenient. Unlike the traditional way of boiling, the eggs do not collide and break when the water boils. When the water boils, reduce the heat to medium and steam for another 12 minutes. For soft-boiled eggs, steam for 6 minutes. For fully cooked eggs, steam for 11 to 12 minutes. If you boil them for too long, they will dry out, become difficult to digest, and lose their flavor. 11 to 12 minutes is ideal. When the time is up, open the lid. You will find the eggs fragrant, not fishy. If you eat them right away, they will be hot and difficult to peel. Prepare a bowl of cold water to soak the eggs after steaming. Cold water helps the eggs cool faster and make them easier to peel. The protein in the egg will contract when cold, making the shell easier to peel. Soak the eggs until they are completely cool. If you don't soak them, the egg whites will stick to them when peeling, which is wasteful. Eggs steamed this way will retain their shape and won't crack or break. Now let's peel the eggs. Use the back of a knife to lightly tap a horizontal line, peeling off the shell there. You will see the shell peel off very easily without any egg white sticking to it. Note when eating eggs. Do not drink tea immediately after because the protein in eggs can combine with tannic acid in tea, causing indigestion. Also, do not eat eggs with soybeans because it will hinder the absorption of nutrients. The egg white is smooth, soft, and has good elasticity. Cut the egg in half. The yolk is evenly cooked, with a beautiful yellow color. Whether it is breakfast or a snack, boiled eggs always bring a light, pleasant flavor. A breakfast with eggs is both quick and nutritious. Try this way of boiling. You will definitely be satisfied. Do you know any other optimal ways to boil eggs? If you have any better tips, feel free to share them in the comments. If you find the video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to support me. Thank you for watching until the end of the video. See you in the next videos of great tips.